Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive, where we break down the latest in tech without the fluff. And today, we've got some seriously exciting leaks about Google's upcoming Pixel 8a that just dropped. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with flagship features, you'll want to hear this. Let's dive into the top 5 features you probably didn't know were coming. So first up, Tensor G3 power under the hood. Yes, according to leaked Geekbench scores and early engineering prototypes, the Pixel 8a is set to be powered by the same Tensor G3 chip found in the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. That's a huge leap for a mid-range device, giving you next-gen AI tools, improved battery efficiency, and serious multitasking performance. Whether you're editing photos, gaming, or just juggling a bunch of apps, this chip brings flagship-level performance down to a $499 phone. Next, let's talk about the display. Leaks show that Google is stepping things up with a 6.1-inch OLED panel, now supporting up to 120 Hz refresh rate. That's right, smooth scrolling, better gaming response, and an overall more premium feel, especially compared to older A-series models. Plus, the bezels look noticeably thinner, which gives it a much more modern edge-to-edge look. Now feature number 3, and this one's kind of a game changer. AI photography tools, straight from the Pixel 8 Pro. The 8a is expected to include Magic Editor, Best Take, and Audio Magic Eraser. These AI-based tools let you fix group shots, remove unwanted sounds from videos, and completely transform how you edit photos, all right from your phone. This puts advanced editing in everyone's hands, not just the flagship crowd. Coming in at number 4, battery life and charging. The Pixel 8a is rumored to have a 4,500 mAh battery, larger than its predecessor, and support 27W wired charging. Combine that with the efficiency of Tensor G3, and you're likely looking at a full-day phone, even with heavy use. Oh, and yes, wireless charging might finally come to the A-series too. About time, right? And finally, Android 15 and AI integration. Pixel 8a is expected to launch with Android 14 out of the box but will be one of the first in line for Android 15, which is already in beta. That includes AI summaries for web pages, smarter screen reading tools, and the new context-aware Google Assistant. Google is clearly betting big on AI across all devices, not just the Pro models. Bonus feature: the design language is getting an update. The 8a is expected to feature a matte rear finish, slightly curved edges for better grip, and the same dual-camera layout we've come to know. But what's really interesting is how close it looks to the Pixel 8, meaning you'll get the look and feel of a $900 phone at nearly half the price. So what's the launch date? Most signs point to August 2025, possibly announced at a Made by Google event or quietly dropped online like previous A-series launches. Either way, the Pixel 8a is shaping up to be one of the best mid-range Android phones of the year, and easily a top pick for US users who want smart features without the flagship price tag. Let me know in the comments, are you excited about the Pixel 8a? Does Google's A-series still stand out in the crowded mid-range market? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this helped you stay ahead of the leaks, hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Dive, and tap the bell so you never miss another drop of tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.